I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Hanan. Today we're going to see lesson number 5 in what concerns countries, nationalities, and languages. And as I told you the last time, today we're going to see that in what concerns North America continent. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Bermuda, Bermudian English. Canada, Canadian English and French. United States of America, American English. Saint Pierre and Miquelon. Frenchman, Frenchwoman, French. British Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islander English. Anguilla, Anguillan English. Antigua and Barbuda, Antiguan English. Aruba, Aruban Dutch. Papiamento Spanish and English. Bahamas, Bahamian English. Barbados, Barbadian English. Dominican Republic, Dominican Spanish. Cuba, Cuban Spanish. Dominica, Dominican English. Grenada, Grenadian English. Guadeloupe, Guadeloupean French and Creole. Haiti, Haitian French and Creole. Jamaica, Jamaican English. Martinique, Martinique or Martiniquean French and Creole. Mexico, Mexican Spanish. Montserrat, Montserratian English. Saint Lucia, Saint Lucian English and Saint Lucian Creole. Puerto Rico, Puerto Rican Spanish. Cayman Islands, Caymanian or Cayman Islander English. Okay guys, that's all what we have for today. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson and you get to know all of the countries, nationalities, and languages in what concerns the North America continent. So, see you next time with lesson number 6, but this time we're going to concentrate on South America continent. And by the way, I'm going to spot the light on something I didn't speak about it before in what concerns this lesson. So, don't forget, as usually, to revise your previous lessons. And also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all my updates. So, see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.